Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart. In this video, we will try to list best 5 impact wrench. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Astro Pneumatic 1822. 450 feet/pounds of max torque. Extremely short profile, full length of less than 3-7/8 inch. Incredibly lightweight at 3.0 pounds. 3 forward and 3 reverse settings. Innovative twin hammer design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. DEWALT DCF 889B. 400 feet-pound of maximum torque to perform a wide range of heavy-duty fastening applications. Ergonomic handle provides user superior comfort and control. Variable speed trigger with electric brake provides user improved control. Durable magnesium gear case and all-metal transmission for extended durability. Bare tool, batteries, and charger sold separately. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Porter Cable PCE 211. 7.5 amp motor for heavy-duty applications. 450 feet lbs of torque. 2,200 RPM and 2,700 BPM for speed. 1/2 inch hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. Forward/reverse rocker switch. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. INGERSOLL RAN 231C. Classic, reliable design offers proven power, performance, and durability. Twin hammer mechanism delivers a maximum torque of 600 foot-pounds. Adjustable power regulator provides easy control of torque output. Ergonomic 2-piece design is easy to operate and maintain. Arrives fully lubricated and ready for use out of the box. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. AIRCAT 1150 killer. Shear power and performance of 1295 feet-pounds, FTLB, of loosening torque and max torque 900 FTLBs. 1,400 blows per minute makes this the strongest hard-hitting twin hammer 1/2 impact wrench on the market. 5% larger rotor creates unmatched power. Patented quiet technology at 86 decibels. 2-year parts and labor warranty. Please check the description for details and best price.